Sephora sale season, aka my favorite time of the year. These are all the products I recommend to you as a certified baddie. I'm loving this Kosas Air Brow in dark brown. Clear brow gel girl, I love the Rare Beauty one too. That's probably my favorite brow gel ever. A little tint today, so we going in with her. Really enjoy their brow pencil products from Kosas. Those are really bomb too. I'm the shade 3.75. Literally feels like a serum. Really good coverage. It's radiant. I haven't been able to put it down since I started using it. My favorite's the Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. Very similar consistency and a little bit more coverage. Me and her used to be like emotional support buddies for real. Really into these Armani cream shadows. An 18M. I use it as just like a base transition shade. See, it's already like super matte, so it sets well and doesn't crease on me. The Mini Eye Sculpt palette from Natasha Denona is just perfect. Never tried any of her shadows. I really suggest picking this up because it's everything you need. Patrick Ta eyeshadows are my second favorite. They just break on me a lot, so I don't love that. I feel like I'm the only person who draws their wing with eyeshadow. 1,000 times easier and more forgiving if you accidentally like bump. I don't know if Urban Decay still sells this Moon Dust palette, but if they do, this Space Cowboy is extra sparklier than the regular one. I love sparkle. Eyeshadow's kind of stripified, but I love that, okay? Love this Lancome lash primer just from getting as clumpy, hold a curl, and it has like vitamins in it, so it's like nourishing your lashes as you wear it. Friend did say it made her lashes fall. I have a lash lift, and I think that is what makes my lashes like do anything I want. The Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize mascara, I am in love with this. So black, and it gets your lashes like thicker, which is the look I like. The House Labs one too. This is good for like more wispy, feathery vibe. Halle Ray for like a lengthening, long vibe. Only complaint with this one is that the wand is kind of big. I'm not gonna say. This is one coat with it. I think they look pretty damn good. A strip lash girl. I like natural lashes with clusters at the end, so these are from Amazon. Save your money where you can. If you're a matte, blurred skin type of girl, I love this Easy Blur from Huda. Drugstore is undefeated when it comes to grippy primer. Don't at me. Monica London Underglow Blurring Glow Primer. Kind of the best of both worlds. All my makeup's so dirty and busted, but that's how you know I really use it. Most of the time, my skincare is my primer, so I only really like grippy blur. It needs to have a purpose for a primer. You know, Forever Skin Tint is my crack recently. Love how you push on like this little accordion thing for it to come out. It's so fun. It's the most skin-like skin tint I've ever tried. If you're a full glam girl, this Huda Easy Blur is the shit though. Like only 30 something bucks, which is really good for a Sephora foundation. Sometimes I mix it with like the one size B12 vitamin thing they came out with, and it kind of makes it a skin tint. It usually is a lot glowier, but the underglow kind of toned that down a bit, which I'm not mad at. I love this House Labs foundation brush. It's big, but it's also curved, so I can get right around my brows here. Big and curved, just like my man, who doesn't exist, by the way. A couple craters on my face, so this NARS Soft Matte is the best when it comes to covering acne. Matte concealer is what really like makes it disappear. If you have any like shine or glow to it, it picks up on the texture. The Say liquid bronzers are worth every single penny. A bit tanner, I like Spritz, but Salt right now has been my shit. The shades of them are just so natural. They like really got it down in that lab. I super love these. And I like the shape of it because I can just like draw on my nose contour situation right here. It's the only applicator I actually use on my face. I feel like everything else picks up foundation. This does not. The Mario F4 brush. I have like 3 or 4 of these. I just love these brushes. House Labs Glossy Bombs are the shit. Love the finish of these. They're so pigmented, long lasting. The shade Glassy Hibiscus. It's like a natural mauve color. I have the red, the hot pink, some lilac shade. They're all so good. Along with any House Labs product, everything I've tried for them, I've been big fans of. I'm gonna use my same Armani concealer. I like the Tower 28 concealer. The coverage of this is really good. Shape of the applicator, because I can literally just like draw on my like nose contour. Shape out my concealer and kind of blend it out. It makes it so much easier when you go to like blend it with a brush. Like spread it down to like my mouth nose area here. Matchify, oh, my favorite part. Setting my under eyes with the Kosas candy powder really lightly with this. Then I'll go back and bake. I just like to do this first. Flawless powder is really good, guys. Really blurring, but it feels lightweight still. I love the YSL bronzer. I just can't find it right now. It's probably my favorite bronzer. Milk Chocolate Too Faced is a classic. Love her. How I go in and bake. This is the Kosas Pink Loose Powder. Also, I love Huda. This is just newer to me, and I love trying out new stuff. And it's quickly become up there with Huda for me. Really love these Kosas blushes. This one's in Euphoria. The shade Hype too. A glow, but they're like still not picking up on texture still. My favorite lip liners from Sephora are Makeup Forever and Huda's. The shade in Huda is Pinky Brown, and Wherever Walnut is what I'm going to use today. Like Anywhere Caffeine, Endless Cacao, Limitless Brown. So creamy, but once they set down, they actually last. I love these Fenty Gloss Bomb sticks. And I'm going to use a House Labs lip gloss. This is the shade Guava. So shiny, but they're not sticky at all. I think I'm going to do a dark waterline just for the purpose of showing you. Really love this Give pencil liner. These are bomb. Lancome pencils also last really well. I need to stop yapping, this video so long, but I could talk about makeup forever. This is the Rare Beauty Highlight in Mesmerize. Highlighted that back into a pimple. You see what I mean, that it picks up on texture? Set with the Mario setting spray. I love the mister of this. Charlotte and One Size are also my favorites. I'm going to turn this into a beauty mark, but I don't think I like that. Whatever. That's all my Sephora recommendations. I hope I made it easier for you. Probably harder because I like a lot of shit. Bad bitches.